So which one of these are the best sounding headphones for under $50? Well, let me tell y'all this. The Edifier has two flaws here. First, the EQs, right? It doesn't have a lot of EQs. It has like 2 and then the customizable. These have customizable EQ and plenty of preset EQs. Second of all, this one's more important. These are quiet headphones compared to the other two right here. So listening to these two at 50%, Edifier, you're definitely at 70% volume. 70% volume, 50% volume. It's a big jump because you really got to drive these headphones to get the same loudness as these two. But do they sound good for under $50? I got another test for y'all. Rock music. Check it out. Well, look at you. You made it to the end of the video. It was a short video, but you still made it. So I got to give y'all my opinion on which one I think sounded the best. That would be the Tozo HT3. That's right. It beat out the other two. Now, not by a mile or anything like that, but it still edged them out. But I think all three choices are good. But do y'all agree with me or not? Under 50 bucks. Keep that in mind. All of these. So you got some really great choices here, but y'all let me know in the comments below. Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.